Where was the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 held recently? Right answer is option D, Brazil. Which country hosted the 51st G7 Summit in 2025? Right answer is option B, Canada. Which country was the host of the G20 Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, South Africa. Where was the ninth edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. The NATO Summit 2025 was recently held in which country? Right answer is option D, Netherlands. Where was the first international conference on glaciers preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, Malaysia. Where was world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? Right answer is option D, Belgium. In which country was the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum 2025 organized? Right answer is option B, Switzerland. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. Which country hosted the SEO Summit in 2025? Right answer is option D, China. Which country hosted the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Right answer is option D, France. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Where was World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 organized? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference 2025 being held? Right answer is option D, Muscat, Oman. Where was the 11th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting held? Right answer is option C, Brasilia, Brazil. Which city hosted the 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit marking 25 years of their strategic partnership? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Where was the first BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Gandhinagar. Where will the 12th BRICS Parliamentary Forum be held in 2026? Right answer is option D, India. Where was the 113th International Labour Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Geneva, Switzerland. Where was World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 being held recently? Right answer is option C, Mumbai. Where was the National Agriculture Renewable Energy Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Where was the 2025 United Nations Ocean Conference held? Right answer is option A, France. The Water Sustainability Conference 2025 was organized in which city? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Which state is the host of the 28th National Conference on E-Governance? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the Asia Pacific Economic Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option C, South Korea. Which country hosted the 17th World Future Energy Summit 2025? Right answer is option A, UAE. Where was the 10th Quad Foreign Ministers Meeting 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Washington DC, USA. Where has the World Air Transport Summit 2025 been organized? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Which country hosted the 58th annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank Board of Governors? Right answer is option D, Italy. Where is third BIMSTEC Agriculture Ministerial Meeting 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Nepal. Where was the World Hydrogen Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2026? Right answer is option C, United States. Which city was the host of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Where was the Green Hydrogen Summit 2025 held in India? Right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Where has the first Global Manuscript Heritage Conference 2025 been held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Where has the first BIMSTEC Traditional Music Festival been held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Where has the Asian Security Summit 2025 been organized? Right answer is option B, Singapore. Where has the first International Religious Freedom Summit 2025 been organized? Right answer is option D, Kenya. Where has the 12th Global Space Exploration Conference 2025 been organized? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country will host the 52nd G7 summit in 2026? Right answer is option A, France. In which city was the Youth Spiritual Summit 2025 organized? Right answer is option B, Varanasi. Where was the 2025 COP15 to the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands held? Right answer is option D, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Where was the 15th India Japan Annual Summit held in August 2025? Right answer is option B, Delhi, India. Where was the 20th Global Sustainability Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Where is the third Northeast Aviation Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Which city hosted the 4th India Central Asia Dialogue 2025? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Where has the 158th IPU Summit 2025 been organized? Right answer is option D, Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Where has PM Narendra Modi inaugurated Semicon India 2025? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Which city hosted the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference 2025? Right answer is option D, Bridgetown, Barbados. Where was the 20th session of the UN Forum on Forest held? Right answer is option A, New York. In which city India hosted the first assembly of the International Big Cat Alliance? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Where has been 6th edition of the Global FinTech Fest 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Mumbai. Who hosted the 8th session of International Solar Alliance in October 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. Which country is set to host the Global AI Summit 2026? Right answer is option B, India. Where was the World Summit on Disaster Management 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Dehradun. Where was the 2025 Global Energy Leaders Summit held? Right answer is option B, Puri, Odisha. Which city is host of Stri Summit 2025 on women's safety and empowerment? Right answer is option A, Hyderabad. Where is the second WHO Traditional Medicine Global Summit 2025 scheduled to take place? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Which country is to host the BRICS Summit in 2026? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.